Alrighty, we're back in the shop here. Whew. Yeah, and she's still cold because it's February. Yeah. Anyway, quick little topic I want to hit on today because honestly, it got too late and I wasn't able to get anything more done on the car. So, stripping that old 460 out of the van. I wasn't able to get anything done on it today. But I still got time to make a video. What I wanted to talk about today on this is a kind of a controversial subject. Am I going to paint the car? I've been asked that quite a few times in the comments and a whole bunch on Facebook. I just want to nip it in the butt and answer it all with this video. Yeah and no. I'm going to clear coat it. It's going to be a patina car. Why? Because in my opinion, and this is something that nobody really has said. In my opinion, a patina car is the most honest car you can have out there. The most honestly real car you can have out there. Because it doesn't hide anything. In fact, the clear coat actually emphasizes every dent, especially if you go with clear, high gloss clear, you're going to see every little dent, or as I like to call them, custom body lines that the car's got. But what it doesn't do is hide body filler and shoddy body work. It emphasizes it all. Now, that's all not to say that patina cars are the easy way out. They have their own little quirks too. For one, it's extremely hard to rematch that paint. So if it's, say like these rocker panels, they need replaced. What I'll do with them, let's see, these rockers right here, you can see they're rusted through right here and everything. If I take and I replace that, I'll never be able to match that right. You'll always see that it was a patch and it'll look out of place. So I gotta leave that. What I'll do is I'll seal it from the inside. But yeah, I'm leaving all of this. And I got another trick here I'm gonna try to hide all of that. Kinda. You'll still see it, but it'll be kinda hidden there. And I think you kind of know where I'm going with it, with me going like that. I'm going to leave it at that. Anyway, my point being, if I fix that, it makes this out of place. I have to fix the whole car and paint the whole car, which might happen later on down the road. But right now, I know what kind of a time sink body and fender work is. Painting a car, that can take a long time. And when I do it, I'm going to take the body off the frame and do it all right, 100%. But bringing me back to the point of this video, she's just going to get a clear coat. She's just going to be a rolling, honest car. Every little flaw in it is not only going to be visible, but it's going to be highlighted. So you know right there what is wrong with it. Patina cars. They're the ugly, honest hot rods. But it's not a hot rod until you get to metal hot. So dang it, I got to get out here and get busy on this. Alright, so we're going to catch you on the next one when I'm actually doing something besides standing here talking about it. Alright, so we'll catch you on the next one. Till the meantime, get that metal hot.